Hello friends, with this video I am going to introduce a few vocabulary words with you. So what I have seen, like majority of the candidates, they keep on using very simple word. Like let's say here also I am using very simple. So I have seen it has become our habit to use the common words. हमारी आदत बन चुकी है कि हमने कुछ वर्ड हैं जिनको हमने बोलना ही बोलना है, राइट. सो वी ऑलवेज से गुड, कुछ भी है इट्स वेरी गुड, राइट. द फूड वॉज वेरी गुड, राइट. द decoration was very good. You are looking very good today, right? So that was a good feeling. I was feeling good. So good is a kind of word that we keep on repeating again and again. जितनी बार भी बोलना है good, good parents, good children, good program, हर कुछ good होता है, right? अब होता क्या है? When you keep on speaking this kind of words, examiner don't give you good score. अगेन गुड, राइट. तो हमने वही हम करने वाले हैं आज के इस वीडियो में. ये जो गुड वर्ड है जो हम बोलते ही बोलते हैं, जिसके बिना तो हमारा सेंटेंस ही कंप्लीट नहीं होता, उसको हमने कैसे रिप्लेस करना है, उस वर्ड को हटा करके हमने कुछ बेटर वर्ड कैसे लिखना है और किस तरीके से हम अपनी जो स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग है उसके स्कोर को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. अब स्पीकिंग राइटिंग इम्प्रूव करनी है, आइडियाज़ भी आते हैं, यू आर स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंटली, बट द प्रॉब्लम दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट फेस इज यूजिंग द सेम लैंग्वेज, द सेम कॉमन बेसिक वर्ड दैट वी लर्नड इन अर्ली चाइल्डहुड. ठीक है, हम वही वाले वर्ड्स यूज़ करते चले जाते हैं, जितनी बार भी आएगा वो गुड आएगा, गुड 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 गुड, उसी को ही रिप्लेस करना है. ठीक है, तो ये जो वीडियोज़ हैं, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ सीरीज ऑफ इट. टुडे इज़ द लेसन 1. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू वॉच ऑल द लेसन्स, कि आपने सारे लेसन्स देखने हैं ताकि आप बेसिक वर्ड हटा करके कुछ बेटर एडवांस्ड वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स जो हैं वो आप ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं अपनी राइटिंग और स्पीकिंग में एंड स्कोर अपना इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट वर्ड के साथ. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट वी हैव इज़ अ वेरी गुड. तो वो जो हमने डिस्कस किया था, गुड तो कम्प्लीटली हटा देना है, वेरी गुड की जगह हम क्या बोलेंगे, एक्सीलेंट. ठीक है, अब एक्सीलेंट, अब ये कहीं पर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं आप. इट कैन बी द एक्सीलेंट डेकोरेशन, द फूड वॉज एक्सीलेंट, द अरेंजमेंट वॉज एक्सीलेंट. कुछ भी जहाँ पर वेरी गुड लगाना है वहाँ पर आप क्या लगा सकते हैं, एक्सीलेंट. इसकी जगह और भी वर्ड हम लगा सकते हैं, वो आई विल बी मेकिंग वन सेपरेट वीडियो जिसके अंदर हम सिर्फ वेरी गुड को ही डिस्कस करेंगे. सो वेरी गुड के लिए हम 20 और वर्ड्स लेंगे जो आप अलग अलग जगह लगा सकते हैं, क्योंकि अब हमेशा आप एक्सीलेंट भी नहीं लगा सकते, उसके लिए भी कुछ और चाहिए, तो वो आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में आपको ज़रूर मिलेगा. ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट इज़ वेरी बैड. सो वाई टू से वेरी बैड, इट वॉज ऑफुल. लाइक इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द food in hostel, so the food in hostel is awful, not very bad, awful. Okay, the next is very afraid. If you say that I'm very afraid now, I'm very afraid now means I'm very terrified now. So if you just yourself compare these two sentences, I'm very afraid now, I'm very terrified, sorry, I'm terrified now. So very afraid or terrified. So terrified means it will automatically improve your standard of English. तो वो आपने बोलना है, I'm terrified, not very afraid. I'm very angry. No, I'm furious. I'm furious when you come late. I get furious. Very beautiful. So don't say very beautiful. You can say exquisite. If the painting is very beautiful, so the painting is exquisite. Next is very big. It is massive. I have a very big house in my village. So it's not I have a very big house in my village. I have a massive house in my village. So if you say massive house, so this is what? This is a better word. So this is how we can improve our English. The next is very bright. So if something is very bright, this is luminous or dazzling. Could be any day, anything. This is very bright, might be color or anything. Very capable. Very capable is accomplished. It can be any person, accomplished. Then very clean, that is spotless. Your notebook is very clean because you haven't written anything in that. Your dress might be very clean. So very clean is spotless. Okay, he is wearing a spotless white shirt. Very clever, you are very clever. So why you are very clever? You are brilliant. My father is brilliant. He takes all the major decisions at my place. Then very cold. It's very cold outside today. So it's very cold outside today means it's freezing outside today. freezing जमने वाली, कोई चीज़ जमा देने वाली, बहुत ठंडी, so it's freezing, not very cold. ठीक है. Then very dirty, this table is very dirty means this table is squalid, right? Next, very weak, my nephew is very weak. So what I can say, my nephew is frail or feeble. Feeble or frail means very weak, कोई बहुत कमज़ोर है. So what we can say, you are feeble, or with a long illness you have become feeble, right? Next, अब हम लेते हैं very conventional. People in village are very conventional, or I can say villagers are conservative. So conservative means very conventional, जो पुराने ख्यालात वाले लोग होते हैं. So why to say very conventional? क्योंकि हमारी आदत होती है when we want to emphasize on something, हमने very लगाना ही लगाना है, लेकिन उस very की हटा करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, we can change the word, and this is what we are doing now. So that is conservative. Next is very dry. If something is very dry, this is arid, or this is parched. Next is very happy. I'm feeling very happy today. I'm in very happy mood today. So if I'm in happy mood today, if I'm in very happy mood today, I'm in ecstatic. I'm feeling ecstatic, or I'm feeling jubilant. So don't you think कि ये word बहुत सुंदर से लगते हैं? These words look awesome when you speak. I'm feeling jubilant today. I'm ecstatic. So don't say I'm very happy. I'm ecstatic. I'm jubilant. Next is very eager, keen. I'm very eager to learn new words. So why I'm very eager? I'm keen to learn new words. Very fierce. So very fierce is ferocious, right? So it can be used for wild animals. If someone is aggressive, is in a very violent mood, means ferocious. कोई बहुत गुस्से में है, बहुत गुस्से वाला, भड़का हुआ, फिर हम क्या बोलेंगे? Ferocious. Next is very hot. Very hot is scalding. This is S-C-A, scalding. The tea is scalding. I don't like to take scalding tea. Right, so scalding is very hot. So I don't like to take scalding tea. Very hot. Then very hungry, starving or ravenous. I'm feeling very hungry, wanna eat something. So I'm starving. I'm starving, wanna eat something. Or ravenous. Next is very large or huge. If something is very large, if something is huge, that is colossal. So colossal, something is very large. This is colossal. Next is very lively. Very lively is vivacious. Something very lively जो बिल्कुल ऐसे लगे जीती जागती है. It can be used for a statue. Any beautiful statue made. So that statue, if you find it is very lively, उसको देख करके ऐसा लगता है कि वो statue नहीं, सच में कोई जीती जागती, मतलब कोई जीता जागता इंसान है. So this can be vivacious. Then very lovely. Very lovely is adorable. My niece is very lovely. My niece is very lovely means my niece is adorable. Then very skinny. Usually people in these days, they are very skinny. So girls, they want to have a zero figure, right? So they are very skinny. Very skinny means skeletal. Okay? I don't like to be skeletal. Then very often, frequently, जो काम अक्सर होता है, I visit the shopping mall very often. So it's not very often, I visit shopping mall frequently. Next we have is very wicked. Instead of very wicked, it is villainous. Villainous, जो villain जैसा होता है, ठीक है, बहुत cruel mind का होता है, having always the negative intentions to hurt someone, to put in danger to someone, किसी को हमेशा नुकसान पहुंचाना, तो वो क्या हो गया? Villainous. So don't say very wicked, villainous. Okay, some people, they are having villainous characteristics. The next is very open. So very open is transparent. I'm very open to my friends. So I'm very open to my friends means I'm transparent to my friends. They know everything about me. Then very sorry. I'm feeling very sorry. So it's not very sorry. I'm feeling apologetic. So when you say very sorry, feeling very sorry, you should be very sorry, you should be apologetic. You should be apologetic to your mom for your behavior. Then very special. My best friend is very special for me. So my best friend is exceptional for me. If something is very special, has a special place in your life, that is very special, means exceptional. Then very neat is immaculate, very neat, पूरा बिल्कुल साफ, कुछ भी कोई दाग नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Earlier also we discussed in this video that was spotless. So spotless या फिर immaculate. So this can be used for someone's personality, someone's character. Okay, so he has an immaculate personality. An immaculate personality means his personality is very clear, doesn't have any kind of blame. Next is very old, is ancient. कोई भी चीज़ बहुत पुरानी है, so बहुत पुरानी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Ancient. Then very poor. Very poor is destitute. Destitute. So it can be like beggars. Beggars के लिए हम क्या word use कर सकते हैं? Destitute, because they are also very poor. Then very quiet. This quiet is for calm, silent. So if someone is very quiet means silent. So why are you silent today? Why aren't you talking to me? Then very risky, perilous. Right, so it can be, if I talk about rash driving can prove very risky. So rash driving can prove perilous. So perilous is very risky. Then very roomy. Very roomy means बहुत जगह है इसमें, इस पे बहुत जगह है means spacious. It can be for the room, it can be for the house, it can be for the office, it can be in fact for the bench you are sitting. So if you are sitting on a larger bench and you have a space, you have a room for someone else, so this is spacious. So room is for जगह. जगह it's not only for room, सिर्फ room के लिए नहीं है, जगह के लिए भी हम use करते हैं. So very roomy is spacious. Then we have very serious. So very serious is grave. I have a very serious thing to talk to you. I have a very serious matter to discuss. So I have a grave matter. I have a grave matter means बहुत serious मुद्दा है मेरे पास discuss करने के लिए. या फिर we'll call it solemn. N silent रहेगा and we'll pronounce it solemn. So I have a solemn matter. I have a solemn issue to discuss with you. So can I just have a minute of yours? The next we have is very strong. Very strong wind is blowing outside today. So if I say very strong wind is blowing, it is a very forceful. No, not very forceful. It is a forceful wind is blowing outside today. Then very tired. So very tired is exhausted. Don't say I'm feeling very tired. I'm exhausted. When people return home in evening after a hectic day, they feel exhausted, right? Then we have is very ugly. If someone has a very ugly features, if this painting is very ugly that I have made, so very ugly means hideous. Hideous means something which can be hidden. It's better to hide instead of revealing it to everybody. Then very wise. Very wise is sagacious. So my father is sagacious, my elder brother is sagacious. So instead of asking very wise, we can say sagacious. Very worried. I'm very worried today. I don't know what will happen for my result. So it's not I'm very worried today, it's I'm anxious today. I'm distressed today. So anxious and distressed means very worried, बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता में होना. So this is anxious or distressed. ठीक है। सो आई होप दिस वर्ड्स विल हेल्प यू आउट। आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू वॉच द सेम वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन, ताकि आपको ये सारे के सारे वर्ड्स याद हो जाएं और फिर आप अपनी राइटिंग और स्पीकिंग को बेटर बना सकते हैं। एंड इन फैक्ट दैट इज़ गुड इनफ फॉर योर रूटीन कॉन्वर्सेशंस, क्योंकि जब आप अच्छे अच्छे वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं तो आपका इंप्रेशन भी बहुत अच्छा आता है सामने वाले पर्सन के ऊपर। सो कीप लर्निंग विद मी। ऑल द बेस्ट।